Good morning, children. Before 2 days, we are completing page number 10. Isn't that, children? Question number 2 and question number 3 already completed. Now we'll go for question number 4. Take out your notebook and write lesson number 1, the cows and the lion. You all wrote, na? Yes. And then you are supposed to copy down this question. Fourth one, answer this question. Okay, first one. The cow made it point to stay first answer. The cow made its point to stay away together. So that answer is B, children. First answer is B. Take the B and write the answer there. And you are supposed to write the answer on the notebook also. Okay? Copy down neatly. Answer is B. I will write this answer is B. Answer is B. No predator would attack them. Answer is B. Answer is B. We'll go for next. We'll go for next. The black. See, second question. The black and the white cow thought their brown friend was being stupid. Why? What did they advise her? Do you think she listened to them? Write second answer now. Answer number 2. Answer number 2. Write it neatly now. Answer for 3. The lion's excuse to eat away the white cow and that it was cunning. True or false? It is false, children. It is false. Third is false. Third answer is false. Write the question first. The lion calls the brown cow friend or friendless. Who is the friend and who is the friendless?
first side set without notebook.
Now fifth one. Fifth one. The brown cow said, "You can now eat my dead body." Why did it say so? Why does this sentences convey about this character? Fifth answer. This is for food. Now sixth one, children. What moral have you learned from the story? We must know who can be our friend. I'm right, children? Friends, people who decide their friends will find pencil. Seventh answer. Mention a few things that can be achieved only in groups. Okay, tomorrow we'll go on to the page number 11, children. Today till here we will stop. Okay, you are supposed to write neatly. I am telling you all to write neat handwriting. Don't make your book dirty there, okay? Take out your English notebook and start writing these questions as well as answers. See, first you have to write the question and then only you have to copy down the answer. Understood now? Okay, children, tomorrow we'll be continuing the page number 11. Write it neatly and keep the answers. Okay, children, and learn day by day what I am teaching. You all supposed to learn at home. Keep learning the answers at home, okay? Yes.